Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Understand Quran and Salah the easy way 3-minute series, lesson number 5b, in which we will learn Arabic grammar. There are 3 types of words in Arabic: ism, fi'l, and harf. Ism means noun, which includes names such as kitab or Makkah, or pronouns or attributes like Muslim, Momin. And fi'l means verb, which tells us about an action. And harf is letter which joins nouns and or verbs like for, from, in, and so on. Let's talk about signs for nouns. Kitabun means a book. Un at the ending shows that it is a noun. Amazing part here is that even if you don't pronounce the end and just say kitab, it doesn't matter. After all, it is a book. But if you are talking of a specific thing, you add l in the beginning of the word. L means the, specific. In Arabic, you don't start with a sakina letter. You have to add a temporary hamza and say al. When al is used in front, you don't say un at the end. So you don't say al kitabun or a book. No, you have to drop a. It will be al-kitabu, the book. And if you want to say and the book, you will say wal-kitab. Why? As we said earlier, the hamza before l is temporary. So if something comes before it, the hamza is dropped. That's why if wa comes, we don't say wa'al, but just wal. For example, wal-kitabu, and the book. Similarly, if we add al to muslimun, it will be al-muslimu. Can you give me the noun with al? Muslimun, al-muslimu. Mu'minun, al-mu'minu. Salihun, as-salihu. Kafirun, al-kafiru. Mushrikun, al-mushriku. The ending signs show the status of a noun. For example, kitabun, kitaban, or kitabin depends on whether kitab is used as a subject or object or with a preposition. You will learn more about this later on. But here, can you give me the noun with al for musliman, al-muslima, mu'minan, al-mu'mina, salihan, as-saliha. For the last case, can you give me the noun with al, please? Muslimin, al-muslimi. Mu'minin, al-mu'mini. Salihin, as-salihi. The signs for a noun, therefore, are it starts with l, for example, al-kitab, or ends with un, an, or in, like kitabun, kitaban, or kitabin. That's it for now. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.